Let's look at our sum and difference identities for tangent. Now this one doesn't really have a clever way to memorize it. So some tricks that I've just learned is the numerator kind of looks like if you had distributed this tangent to the inside. So, and remember, we don't really distribute trig functions, but in this case, this is just a way to help you memorize what it should look like. So for the numerator, think of kind of distributing it to get the top, and the sign stays the same. Then in the bottom, we have 1, and then flip the sign and multiply those two top values. So let's change tangent of 15 to be tangent of 45 minus 30, and apply this. So first off, think of distributing that tangent. So tangent of 45 minus tangent of 30 over 1, flip the sign, so plus, and then multiply those two together. And now we just have to use our unit circle, plug in those values, and see what we get. So I know tangent of 45 is 1, tangent of 30 is 1 over root 3, and then I have 1 plus, and I multiply those two together. So I get this. So I get 1 minus 1 over root 3 over 1 plus 1 over root 3. Now, we do need to simplify this further, so let's do it by getting common denominators and doing keep, switch, flip. So I'm going to change this 1 to be root 3 over root 3. Same with this one. So then I have a common denominator I can combine. So that gives me root 3 minus 1 over root 3 on the top, and root 3 plus 1 over root 3 on the bottom. And now I can do keep, switch, flip. Keep the numerator, switch to multiplying, flip the denominator. Oops, crossed off the wrong ones. Chill out, Shannon. Root 3's are gone, and I get root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1 as my final answer. So I want you to try the last problem for the day. 5 pi 12ths, I want you to separate it as tangent of pi 6 plus pi 4ths. Apply your tangent identity, plug in your unit circle values, and simplify, and then come back to check your work and see how you did. Here's what I got. So there's my trig identity all written out. Plug in my unit circle answers, simplify, find a common denominator by changing those ones again, and then do keep, switch, flip to get that as my final answer. And that is all for lesson 3.1. So that is about half of the trig identities you're going to have to memorize for chapter 3. In 3.2, we'll learn the rest of them.